to our amazing channel, make sure you click that subscribe button right now to save a life. And make sure that you follow us on Instagram at
Lydia and Alma.
Yay! We thought that we would give you guys just a quick life update because we've been a bit like on and off, and she's been a bit weird like all her life. So we really want to make sure that you guys are in tune with what's going on with us, and that we want to be more committed to you. We want to stop being trash to you guys and start showing more commitment.
The real experience of Lydia and Alma.
Which means more content from us. What was that about? This is why this channel, I'm trying so hard to continue living with you. It's really difficult living because you drive me insane. So as you can see, our Afros are pretty healthy and on track. We're really happy about that. You know how we are. We keep the hair routines quite simple. We just like kind of want to give you more of a glimpse into our lives and stuff, and I guess get to know us a bit more.
Yeah, so recently we have been invited to Cantu Curl Awards. That was the most amazing event ever, and that's our first invite.
Like I said litty as in like lit, like litty.
See, I was trying to include you, but okay, never mind. But yes, they had amazing people there. There was like a competition of like the best hairstyle. Yeah. Oh my god. So I mean, I didn't know how creative like people are. Like Jesus Christ.
The most creativity I can do is this. That's it. Like these lot were making animals out of their hair and like,
yeah, the girl did a peacock.
Crazy. Yes. And it was really good. Anyways, we have a vlog. Even though it's a little bit late, we do have a vlog for you all. These are the kind of things that we want to show you guys. And I guess we just want to take it a bit more serious. Because sometimes it's like, I don't know, we forget we have a YouTube channel because we both have other things going on. And then sometimes we bump into you all lovely people on the street.
You're a rock star.
And
I'm a fashion designer.
Yes, I am a rock star. I'm struggling one at the moment, but that's my dream. My dream is to be a rock star. Alma's dream is to have her fashion label. Plus we have 2 other siblings that you guys haven't been formally introduced to. Our little brothers in the West End. Yay! And our sister just started college, so like we've literally been like helping. Like we're a very close family, so you guys are that family, so we don't want to neglect you guys as well. Never. We know we say this a lot, like comment below what you want to see, but please remind us what you would like to see, especially with winter coming up. You know we love our fashion.
Oh yeah, oh lord. What particular hairstyle should we do next?
Yes. And since you're following us and our journeys to like our goals, I guess we can show you, if you're interested, we can show you more of like my struggling daily fight to be that rock star, Alma's quest in fashion. Like
it gets stressful.
We're very real in it. Like I don't pretend.
No. This channel, all we do is be real here.
Oh, we have branding. Very proud of myself. I really like to design, but I just am too lazy to take
yes! Oh
we have a YouTube header officially.
Yeah, y'all go check it out now if you don't know.
And you have a different intro than the old one. So yeah, we are like getting there.
Level up. What? You about to make me fall for no reason? Really? I have to go to hospital because of you.
Last time you was in the hospital when you were born, your head was so big they had to put you in an incubator. You have goals to work with brands and stuff like that. Also just, you know, promote positivity and delve more into self-love as well. So you guys, you don't know what's coming for you, or you don't know. Just hold tight, please. Hold tight.
Keep holding on.
Look how weak that looks. Just how weak. I said hold tight. Look how quickly she let go.
With 2 hands at least. You just put out one.
Trust me. Look at this bond.
That looks way more powerful. More hands. Humanity.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Make sure you follow us. Congratulate yourself. You got through another day and another video. You're awesome. I was born. Who's that?
Sorry.
And again, that's kind of this. What's going on? Let's say my hair is on track. Don't try to embarrass me.
On every single song. Can you let it go? No, come back. I'm talking.